It's Tuesday, July 16th, 2024. And hello, Arielle Nissenblatt. I'm Ned Donovan, and this, did you know, is daily tips that may or may not help you. I'm doing a hatless run today. I don't do a lot of those, and I think it's fun.
I was about to say, is this your first hatless tip?
No, I do them every once in a while, but it is mostly a behatted tip. I don't know if that at all tracks, but I like saying behatted. I don't think it's a word.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think it's
I'm
a word.
into it.
Hey, today's your tip. Would you let us know what's going on?
I would love to. Today's tip is that if you don't have any travel-sized versions of the products that you love, and I'm mostly talking about toiletries, you should use plastic or glass bottles, something that you can travel with. So for example, when I go and I travel, I usually go to the mini section in CVS and I select a shampoo, I select a conditioner, I select a face wash, I select a body wash. And when those are done, they're done, and that's pretty wasteful. But if I have maybe a shampoo that I really love that I'm using for a specific reason because I want my hair to be shinier, and I don't want to break up my usage of that while I go on vacation or while I go on a work trip, I am going to buy myself a plastic bottle, which you can also get at CVS, and fill up that plastic bottle with that shampoo, that specific shampoo. And you can continue using those bottles and it'll be less wasteful as time goes on. So that is my travel tip for today. Ned, how do you feel about this tip?
I travel a lot, and I think I'm objectively bad at this tip. This feels like a tip I'd have to really work on. And I should, because it's less wasteful.
That's the idea. Yeah. That's the idea. Well, listeners, viewers, let us know how you travel and if you are trying to get shinier hair. And we'll be back tomorrow, maybe with shiny hair, maybe not. And we'll see you then.
Definitely.